Oh my god, people are mental. Welcome back to another video. Now you currently join me in the queue. Don't start revving the... You currently join me in the queue to the Castle Combe circuit, where we're going to hopefully be spending the day here for the Spring Action Day.
Not here.
Not here, no. At the circuit. I'm going to be hopefully doing the media for the day. We've got the autographs locked down for the day as well, so we're going to hopefully get as much footage as possible across the day. And this is going to be hopefully the first video. I'm going to give you guys a little bit behind the scenes look at what goes on. It's blue skies, I don't know if you can see, it is blue skies at the moment, so hopefully it is a good day. And yeah, let's see how this day goes. Oh, but yeah, how many is that? 4? 3?
Sure.
Drift car on the back, I guess. Look at us turning up in our Ford Mondeo. Right, we have made it in. We're just going down to the infield now. We're based for the day. Autographs, people. Should we do a lap quickly? On the Castle Combe circuit for the first time. Yeah. Okay, so a lot has happened in the past, well, I say hour or so.
I'd block your number for good, but here you are texting me you up. I know exactly where this is, on your side of the bed at 3 AM. I tell myself don't fall this time, but you say my name and I lose my mind. But I always let you back in every time I say I'm done, I'm lying. You walk in the room and I stop trying. You're a bad idea again, but here I am at your door at 10. Guess I never learned my lesson. You're a bad idea again.
Basically, I'm now signed on as part of the media team. As you can see, I've got my blue high-vis on. I'm now going to go and mount the GoPro to somebody's car. The first session's at 10, I think it's about 9:30 now. So yeah, I'm going to get that set up and then, yeah. Okay, so we got one of Kenny's GoPros set up in this stock hatch here, which I think both of these cars will go around the tarmac circuit for the first session. So I'm going to turn that one on in a minute. And I've also got mine here all set up in this Class 7. I was going to say Class 5 then, it's a Class 7. So that's going to around the circuit as well. So yeah, hopefully it should work and get some good footage. And it's looking like it's going to be a very sunny day here at Castle Combe. As you can see, there's people going around the circuit now. Our session's in about 15-20 minutes now, so yeah, not long left. And then I'll be able to sort of get some footage rolling, and hopefully be able to stand over there, get some oval footage, get some track footage. But I think there's also some lawnmower racing going on over here. So my dad's going to marshal that. He's going to be at the start line marshalling that, which is good.
Okay, mate. Thank you very much. Cheers. Thank you. You owns the length of arm. You just snatched.
What's happened? Okay, so the day is now pretty much over. It's 3 o'clock. They've got a parade thing in just a second. That's about it really. Just got back to the car. I've been over at the main event, so obviously we're based in the middle. We've been over at the main event, having a look around. We've been watching the drifting as well, which was pretty good to see. And obviously I haven't been having a chance to update you. I had a really busy last couple of hours, to be honest. Managed to do 2 really good sessions. Everybody managed to get some really good seat time, I believe. Managed to run the GoPros hopefully quite successfully. Managed to get some good footage myself with the race, which was with the autograph drivers and drift car drivers. So yeah, that was really cool. I managed to get some good footage from that, so hopefully that will be out soon. I've got some really cool footage and hopefully I can put it together over the course of the next couple of days. Yeah, just a little bit of an update. Now we're not allowed out of this middle area until 5 o'clock, so we've got about 2 hours to wait, but we might head over again to the main event in a bit, or we might just chill here. It won't be long and we'll be out of here, but yeah, a really good day, really successful day, really enjoyed myself, and yeah, hopefully some good videos come from it, because yeah, some good footage is hopefully being filmed by myself and other people, and yeah, it should be good. Right, it's now the next day, and as you can probably tell, my nose is very red. I've tried to put some sort of cream on it to help it, but yeah, I've been blowing my nose a lot for the past sort of 24 hours because I think I've come down with a cold. I've had a bit of a runny nose for the past week, but I haven't really thought much of it. I'm just like, I'm cracking on, get on with it, and it'll soon pass, but it hasn't passed, unfortunately. I think yesterday finished me off. I got back after yesterday and it was just like, ooh. I didn't really feel like doing much. I managed to get a bit of footage onto the space, so where me and Kenny keep our footage. But yeah, I got up this morning, felt a little bit better, got a bit more footage onto the space, but then I had to head to work at 11, so I didn't really have a chance to put much onto the space or do much editing as such. So it's now 20 to 4. That clock is wrong because the time went forward last night an hour, so I need to change that. But it's now 20 to 4, so I'm going to sit down and properly get into some good edits and hopefully try and create some really good reels. Right, it's now the next day. I did a bit of revision this morning. Anyway, I've sat down and edited this video, which you're currently watching. I've sat down and edited a montage sort of type of video for Kenny and his socials. So you've got a load of different clips from the start of the day. Then we've got the GoPro footage from my camera and some GoPro footage from Kenny's camera combined. And then I've put in some of the show clips, so Kenny's car next to the McLaren, which is pretty cool. And then I've put in a few more clips of us back at the infield. And then I've put a few more clips of people racing around the oval in the second session, and also put a couple of clips of Kenny's dad going around. And that's what I've sort of done for that reel. And then also put together the mower race that we did. So I've combined Kenny's GoPro footage, which he gave me, which he has from the day, and then I've combined that with my footage, which I got from the outside, and that's turned out pretty good, I think. So hopefully be able to post those and get those up soon. I did text him and tell him that I'd put them together. He said I'd have a look at them today and change up bits and do what he wants with them, because it's obviously not up to me. What gets posted is up to him, and it's not up to me what he wants to put in the videos and things. I sort of here just to do a little bit of a baseline, cut all the footage out, make it look good, and then Kenny can go in and change different clips and different things as according to what he wants, if that makes sense. But yeah, I'm going to go with a bit more revision now. Obviously this video you are watching now should all be edited. I don't know when this is going to be posted. I don't know when you're watching this. If you're watching the upload date, you'll know what day this is uploaded. But I don't really know. I'm going to try and export it now and get it out for a certain date. But I want to try and let Kenny have I don't know how to describe it. I think I want him to be able to share all the footage first before I jump in and share all the footage. That makes sense. I don't want to be the first person everybody comes and watches my video instead of Kenny's, because they've already watched my video and they know what's going on. I don't want them to watch my video and think, oh, I've watched it all now. I'm not going to go and watch Kenny's video, so that makes sense. The video, this is how this video which you're currently watching is looking. That's took me a good 2 hours to make. As you can see, there's lots of different clips in there, and there's lots of different bits. I've tried to put in some GoPro footage as well to make it a little more interesting for you guys. Obviously all the drift footage, and then yeah, some footage from yesterday as well. So yeah, catch you guys up on the next one. Hopefully you've enjoyed this little behind the scenes video of what goes on when I go to an event or when I go and film for Kenny. Hopefully I'm going to be producing a bit more footage like this over the course of the year. On the 19th of April, I'm going to hopefully head to Japfest with Kenny, and we're going to be producing some good content from that. So I hope to be able to create another video like that for you guys, just like this one. But for now, I'm gobbling on, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Be sure to hit that subscribe button, guys. Hit that like button. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.